What's up guys, Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech Unraveled, and today's the day. Today is Google Pixel 6 Pro unboxing day. We're gonna get this box popped. We're gonna go through everything that you would get inside of it. Let's explore what we get. Let's do it, let's go right now. All right guys, so this is the box here. This is the Pixel 6 Pro in Sorta Sunny. Pretty cool color combination if you ask me. Let's go ahead and pull our little tabs here. I am excited, I am very excited. This has been the most excited, whoa! This looks sick. This is the most excited I've been for a phone in quite a long time, probably since I got the Fold 2 over a year ago. Wow, this has got a little bit of weight to it, guys. This feels very nice, very premium. Let's remove the plastic here. Nice, wow. I am impressed at how premium this feels. You can feel the metal band around the side of it. It has a nice weight to the actual phone. I definitely like that. I'm loving this color combination. Sorta sunny, makes me sorta happy. I like it. Let's see what else we do get in the box. Now, if you guys notice, the box is much thinner, so we know what that means. We are going to lose the charging adapter, so this must be, you know, your kind of your get started guide and whatnot. Some warranties, your SIM tray popper, and then we have our USB-C to USB-C cable and a USB-A to C adapter, so that way you can easily transfer your data from device to device. This is what all the hype has been about right here. Let's talk about what this phone comes with. So the Google Pixel 6 Pro starts at $899 and comes in three pretty awesome colors: stormy black, cloudy white, and sorta sunny, which I'm rocking here. The display is 6.7 inches. It's a 1440 by 3120 display, and it has up to 120 hertz refresh rate, and it's adaptive, so it can go as little as 10 frames or all the way up to 120. The biggest hype about this device is Google's very own built in-house CPU, the Google Tensor chip. This thing was designed over the last several years. This is the first version, the first phone to ever get this particular processor. They also have included an upgraded M2 Titan chip, which is going to make the Pixel 6 the most secure Google Pixel ever created. This is coming in at 12 gigabytes of RAM, and you can get three different storages. Now, mine has 128 gigabytes. You can also get 256 and 512 gigabytes, which is a lot. There are three rear cameras on the back of the phone: a 50 megapixel wide angle, a 12 megapixel ultra wide, and a 48 megapixel telephoto. The telephoto is 4x optical and will give you up to 20x digital. The front camera is an 11.1 with a 94-degree field of view, which is pretty decent for a front-facing camera. The rear cameras are capable of recording 4K 30 and 1080 at 60 frames per second, also the same on the front. Now, there is a under-display fingerprint sensor to unlock your device. This phone has a 5003 milliamp battery that is rated for 24 hours. Now, you can put it into an extreme battery saving mode, which will give you 48 hours of total use. The total weight of this phone comes in at about 7.4 ounces, which is pretty cool. Now, it starts with a price tag of $899, and this thing is rocking Google's first very own built in-house Tensor chip, which is pretty exciting that they've gone and innovated their own chip. Hopefully that is going to give us more performance, more battery life. What is known right now is it's going to give them the ability to give you 5 years of software updates, which is very, very awesome. Get started. Gotta pop the SIM out of the old iPhone here. Out with the old, in with the new. If I can get the case off, then we can do that. Having some problems. Where is the SIM tray? right here. Now it is a single SIM. Of course, it has all your standard sensors, an array, fingerprint scanner. I'm super stoked, I'm super excited. I can't wait till everything gets moved over. It says 16 minutes. So I'm gonna finish getting this phone set up and I am gonna use the heck out of it for the next 2 weeks. I'm gonna come back to you with a full review. I'm gonna let you know all of the pros, all of the cons. I'm gonna tell you everything that I think. I'm gonna keep it real with you, as I always do. If you like this video, I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.